By this time last year, my face was terrible. My face was terrible. Some people, their face is smooth like a baby's bum bum. All they use is this Vaseline on their face. So a lot of people focus on the face, forgetting that aging starts showing on your neck before your face. Aging, sagging skin, wrinkles, dryness starts showing on your neck before your face. So in fact, pay more attention to your neck. Okay, so welcome to the night routine. If you watch the morning routine and you're here for the night routine, you are my real MVP. Thank you so much for being with me and for always watching, liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. I really appreciate you all. So this is our night routine, and if you have not seen the morning routine, please go see it. So you are going to follow up with what I'm doing. Now, the purpose of this video is not so you go and buy exactly the products I am using, because my skincare problems or my skin goals might not be your skin goals. Do you understand? So this video is just like a guide to you to help you to form your own routine with different products depending the part of the world you are watching me from. Do you understand? And also to help you know how to layer your products better. Yeah, so if you feel like you have same facial goals like me, you can go ahead and use the exact products I'm using. It is going to work for you because it is working for me. So yeah, my face is still glowing, but we need to wash everything off and do another one. Okay, so this is the soap I've been using on my face. This is the aloe vera body wash that I bought. I reviewed it. Okay, this is what I've been using as my face wash. I bought it for my body basically to try it out, but I now discovered that it was too soft for my skin. Like, it's super hydrating, it is super moisturizing, so it wasn't very cleansing to my skin. Although I tried to use it for double cleansing, but later on I was like, let me just use this on my face, and honestly it is working. I love the effect on my face, the softening, the smoothing effect on my face. And I also noticed in my morning routine that I didn't talk about the soap that I used to wash my face, and that is because I've mentioned it before. But thinking about it now, not everybody watch every of my video, and for those of you that are seeing me for the first time, you don't know what I'm using. So this is what I'm currently using on my face. This is the Silka Papaya bar soap. So in the mornings, what I do is I wash my face with these two soaps. So I just go as I feel. Do you understand? Because right now I'm not necessarily targeting anything on my face. If I had dark spots, I would use it a different way, but I don't have anything I'm targeting. I'm just using both of them. So sometimes I use this one first, wash my face like 2 times, and then I use this one once to finish up to get that clean feel on my face. And some days I use this one 2 times to wash my face. That is, I use it to wash my face once, rinse out, wash my face again, rinse out, and then finish up with this one to get that soft effect. Because this is a body wash or a face wash, anyone you want to call it, it gives that soft feel when you finish using it, but this one gives that clean feel. So I just use them based on how I feel. Some days I just want my skin to feel soft when I'm done washing my face. I use this on some days. I'm not just in the mood for that soft thing. I want my face to look really clean. I use this one. But basically, I use this two every morning. So, but at night, I don't use this one. At night, I only use this one. So I'm going to wet my face now. I started this video here, I would have washed my face, but I wanted to make something straight. I noticed that some people, when they want to wash their face, the way their face is, they just go ahead and carry soap and start rubbing on your face. No, use water first to rinse out your face. Water has its part on your skin. When you are bathing, when you are washing your face, try to allow water to get to your skin as much as it can. Do you understand? It helps with hydration, it helps with your skin texture, it helps with everything good on your skin. So I'm going to go and wash my face now with this, and then I'm going to come back. Do you understand? Okay, so I just washed my face now. So after this step, there are 2 things I use interchangeably every night, and that is my aloe vera gel or my honey. It's almost out. Yeah, so I use this interchangeably. Do you understand? It's either I use this or I use this. Now, how do I use these 2 things? if I'm to use honey, what I'll just do is to apply honey on my face, like rub it in, give it like 1 2 3 minutes and rinse it out. Or I use this one. So this is the one I'm going to be using this night, because I feel I've demonstrated honey a whole lot since 2024. I've been talking about how good honey is for the face. If you have watched the morning routine, I mentioned that my goal for this year is to plump my skin, to achieve that radiant glass skin effect. If you have watched the morning one, I mentioned it there. So that is why I have gone back to my honey, because honey is one thing that when you start using it, the texture of your skin is going to drastically improve. It's not a rapid improvement, it's not a rapid result something, but it's something that you are going to see results over time. This smooth, because honey is a natural exfoliant. Do you get? Honey naturally exfoliates your skin. So honey is very, very good. So today I'm going to be using this one just so I demonstrate, because I have not demonstrated it before on the channel. How, if I have, maybe, I don't know, I've forgotten. So I just use this to clean my face. I don't like leave it on my face. Do you understand? I don't leave it on my face. But you can leave this on your face. So there are some days when I don't want to use my face serum, I don't want to use anything, I leave this on my face. But I just use this for proper cleansing of my skin. Basically what a face toner would do for you, that is a face toner that you use cotton pad for, what it will do for you. So just to cleanse my skin more, if that makes sense. Do you understand? So I'm just going to rub it like this, so I can use water at this point to rinse out my face after doing this. So I can use water, I can use cotton pad, but let me show you how I use cotton pad, just in case you would want to explore that option. But you need to be really fast before it dries up into your skin. So I just use this now to wipe it out. So this is just a way I add extra hydration on my skin, and trust me, my skin loves it. It's nice. So what this also does is, just in case you didn't wash your face well, it's also a way for you to cleanse your face better. Because as someone that has oily skin like me, I'm very particular about cleansing my skin very well. And remember, the energy you put to cleansing on your skin, you need to put that energy in moisturizing and hydrating. So basically, yeah, this is what I do. This is how I use my aloe vera gel. So now when you might feel my face is not giving that dryness again that comes from maybe washing your face. Although this soap I'm using, the face wash I'm using, doesn't give that dry feeling at all. But if you see how my skin looks, yeah. So after this, the next thing I go in with is my serums. Now I have 2 serums that I use at night. This is the Dr. Rachel White Skin Whitening Face Serum, yeah, and then I use retinol serum. So since this year I added retinol into my skincare routine. Yes, if you're in your late 20s, 30s, you should start adding this into your routine. This is beginner friendly to retinol. This is beginner friendly before you climb up the ladder of very strong ones. You can start with this before you go to for adapalene, tretinoin, and all of those things, just to introduce your skin to the product. So this is what I'm starting out with. I just started this year. So how I use these 2 things is I use them interchangeably. I use this one this night, I use the other one the next night. So at the end of the day, I use this one 3 times, I can use this one 4 times, I can use this one 4. So yeah, it depends on the rotation. But I used this yesterday, so this is what I'm going to be using today. So this one, basically, the reason why I have it in my routine is it has niacinamide, which is good for oil, to control oil production. It has abditin, which helps with dark spots and all of that. And basically, this face serum is very good. It helps to smoothen your face. Like if you have skin texture issue, although some people say it's harsh on their skin, I don't know, skins differ. I've been using this serum for the longest time. I use it on my eye area, I use it basically everywhere, and I don't get any harshness. Maybe it is the soap you are using that is causing it. Maybe it is the quantity you are using that is causing it. I honestly do not know. Or probably it is just your skin. And for some people, their skin barrier has already been compromised. So every little thing they use seems to irritate their skin. If you're that person that anytime you use something, your skin always reacts, I think I would suggest you should focus on repairing using products that are going to repair your skin barrier. Because one thing that can cause simple products like this to irritate your skin is that your skin barrier is damaged. You understand? Because in as much as this is an active product, it is not so powerful. You can't compare this with a serum that has like 2%, 3%, 5% additive, or 5% niacinamide, 10% niacinamide. No, this does not have all those percentages. So this is mild to me. So that's why sometimes it's surprising when someone says, oh, I use this serum and it's itching me. It's either you're pairing it with the wrong soap, or yeah, you need to check your face products and start healing your face skin barrier. Also remember, whatever you are doing for your face, do it for your neck. It is very important. Do you understand? It is very important to get even skin tone on your face and on your neck. And also, if you're using anti-aging products, make sure that you're using it on your face and on your neck, because a lot of people focus on the face, forgetting that aging starts showing on your neck before your face. Aging, sagging skin, wrinkles, dryness starts showing on your neck before your face. So in fact, pay more attention to your neck. Use your toners, your serums, your face creams, any hydrating thing you are using. Focus on your neck, because the skin on the neck is thinner than even the skin on the face. So now, after this, sorry, my lips are dry. So after this, I go in with my face cream. So I am still using one face cream, oh people of God. I am still using one face cream, but yeah, I'm working on getting a new face cream dedicated for nights. Yeah, people should help me to watch my video, so I'll have money to buy it. So, but this is the face cream I've been using morning and nights, and honestly, I can't complain. I'm changing it now, or I'm trying to buy a dedicated night face cream just because I want to, not because this one is not doing the job for me. No, it is just because I want to. I like the serenity of skincare, having this for this, having that for that, and also is a way of trying out new products for me. So also, that is also to tell you that you don't need 1,000 products to be doing skincare. A lot of people say, oh, since I started doing skincare, I'm wasting money. Since I started doing skincare, this one, that one, skincare is expensive. Skincare is not expensive. It is you that wants to buy all the products in the market. It is you that wants to test everything you see, and not like you're using it to create content. Not like you're using it to do anything. Do you understand? Influencers are just patronizing you and they are falling for it. Use what you know is working for you. There are some people that simple almond oil, coconut oil works for their skin. Some people even use this Vaseline on their face. Some people, their face is smooth like a baby's bum bum. All they use is this Vaseline on their face. So you don't need to waste money, buy this and buy that. If you know that your skin does not like all those big products, all those expensive products, go for cheap products that your skin like. Some people, their skin don't like all this niacinamide, alpha-apatine, all those very harsh things. Some people have very soft skin. Do you understand? And what is going to work for them is that simple product. All you need to do is to use it for a long period of time for your skin to actually get used to it, and start repairing and start giving you the results that you want. So my dear people of God, I have finished my night routine. It is simple, it is effective, and it is affordable. Do you understand? It's affordable. You don't need to do too much on skincare. Okay, you not just have to take time to understand what your skin likes first of all. Let me not talk too much. Maybe I will make a dedicated video for the things I want to say here. But honestly, this is my night face routine, and you can see my face is good. My face has really improved from what it used to look like last year. By this time last year, my face was terrible. My face was terrible. Do you understand? So it takes time to actually get a good skin. Don't be in a hurry. Use the type of products that your skin likes. Some people, their skin likes expensive products. If that's what you like, stop patronizing cheap products. Do you understand? Save up money and buy the products that your skin likes and stick to it for life. It is that simple. Okay, so thank you for joining me. I'm going to see you on our next one. Bye. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm going to be with you in the comment section.